Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at this shampoo. This is what it looks like. I've been using this for a while now. It says here that it cleanses and nourishes. This retails for $10.99. You can get it in Superdrug or Boots. It says here to apply to wet hair, gently massage from root to ends. Rinse thoroughly, repeat if necessary. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm now going to part my hair into 4 sections. So I've now just put my hair in sections. So now I'm going to get my towel. I'm sprinting water on my hair right now. So I've sprinted water on this side of my hair. So now I'm going to put this product on, the shampoo on. I'll just pour a bit on my hand. It smells like pineapples. It's very brown in colour. So now I'm going to use this product on my hair to shampoo it. I think it's very soft shampoo. It goes through very well. It's very soft when you feel it, very crunchy. Well, not crunchy, but like very curly, and it's very nice. And when you put your hands through it, it goes through very well. It feels really nice and soft, so I'm going to put a little bit more on my root and the places where it's not properly been put on. I'm concentrating on my root very well, so it's going to be very soft and washed properly. I'm going to use this comb. It's like a hair massager, which massages the hair very well, and it makes it very soft and combs it. This comb massager doesn't really hurt at all. Actually, it doesn't. Very soft, nice, calm, and it massages the hair very well. I'm now going to sprinkle more water on this patch of my hair now. It's getting dried up a lot, so I'm going to sprinkle more water. Normally I would do this in the bathroom, but because I'm reviewing the shampoo, I'm doing it here. This helps me get to the root properly. It helps a lot because it's like a comb, but it helps everywhere of your hair. So this hair is really soft and fluffy and foamy. So I'm now done with this section. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more water over here to moisturise the hair. Well, of course, shampoo it. So now I'm done with this. Now I'm going to transfer the one from the back to the front. So do this. So I have 2 more sections left. Now I have to do the back one. It's very, very, very foamy. I love it. Very soft on my hair. Curly. Nothing is bad about this thing. It smells delicious. It's like I want to eat it. It's very nice. I don't think there's really any bad thing about this. It's very nice. It's very soft on my hair, very curly. About this shampoo, I don't think there's any flaws with it. It's very nice, soft on the hair, and I'm just going to wash it out. So be back, stay tuned. So I've washed my hair now. It looks and feels squeaky clean, and it looks really clean, very fresh now that it's washed. Very soft and curly. I really like this shampoo. It's very nice. It smells like pineapple. It smells delicious. So this hair is now washed, very silky, very nice, fluffy. In terms of this shampoo, I think that I've been using this for a while now, so it's very good for me. It helps the hair a lot, and it keeps it very clean. I like this shampoo because it doesn't dry out my hair. It's very soft with it, very not crispy, not dry with it. It moisturizes the hair somehow when you wash it off, and then it's always fluffy when it's done. I really like this, so I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. It's really good. So I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye!